Hello, it is Ms. Mansky with today's comprehension practice. I hope you've been having a good week of digital learning. If you haven't already done Tuesday's assignment, which is also comprehension practice, do make sure that you go back and complete that assignment as it is part of your grade in Mr. Washington's class. Otherwise, let's get started with today's lesson. Once again, we are still talking about main idea. And just to reiterate from Tuesday and last week, main idea is the point of a paragraph. It is the most important thought about the topic. Main idea is what the topic is about, basically. And some ways that you can find the main idea are looking at the title of the text. Sometimes the title offers clues. While reading, you can look at information, words, or pictures that are repeated. And after you read, asking yourself what is being said about the person, thing, or idea the topic is about. Um, Sometimes when you're reading, you might not know what the main idea is, but being able to ask yourself this kind of question is going to tell you what the purpose of that topic is. Supporting details. So, supporting details describe or explain the main idea of the text. So, supporting details can be anything that further develops the main idea, which would be personal experiences, facts, opinions, statistics, anything that proves something about the main idea of the text. And lastly is the summary. So the summary is a paragraph, a short paragraph in the reader's own words that describes the main points of a text. So some rules for summarizing are include only important information. You don't need to include every single detail from a text in a summary, just the ideas that are relevant to the main idea. Um, you should combine ideas for conciseness and clarity, and use category terms instead of a list of words. So instead of saying chair, sofa, or table, you could use a word like furniture, so that you're not writing an overly long paragraph. Um, and a summary does not contain your opinion, right? So the purpose of writing a summary is not to share your thoughts. It is to explain what the author's thoughts are about the topic. It should not contain direct quotes. Everything should be paraphrased. And it shouldn't include what you think the author should have said instead of what they did say. So today we are looking at a passage called Sliding Ice, and this passage is about glaciers. I'm going to read it for you now. A glacier is made of snow, a lot of snow. When the snow cannot melt, more snow piles on top, then more and more. When this pile of snow is thick, it will press down. The snow gets like ice. Then the pile slides downhill an inch at a time. At the end, a big chunk can split off and make an iceberg. All right, so there is a 3-question exit ticket about this text. Complete the exit ticket using the passage that I just read that's included in this slideshow. This is what the exit ticket looks like. Oh, So, question one is what is the main idea of the passage? And question two is what details in the text support that this is the main idea? Select all that apply. Now, it's very important that you are selecting more than one answer for question two because you have to have more than one answer to answer the question. All right, if you have any questions about the things that I talked about in this PowerPoint or the exit ticket, feel free to send me an email and I will talk to you then. Thanks.